Hi guys, welcome back to Country Views. I have a special treat for you guys today. It is called International Pot Roast. And I tell you what, this is a different texture, different take on pot roast. You will love it. So let's get started. Earlier today, I had got about 5 pounds of a chuck roast going. I shredded it, finally shredded it like this once I got it done. You make sure you peel all the fat off because you don't want to eat that, okay? Now, I'm going to bring this over here. And I saved my beef water, okay? So now I'm going to put this back into the water after shredding it. And get as close to the water as you can because you do not want it to splash on you. Okay? So you got that all back in there, okay? So give it a good mix, all right? Now the next step you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to add your seasonings next, okay? I have granulated garlic, a palmful. You want to put that in, okay? Salt and pepper mix, palmful. Go a little light on the salt if you don't like salt. Palmful of paprika. And a palmful of chili powder. Okay? Then you want to come over here. And I have 2 brown gravy packet mix. This is what's going to make the pot roast. Now, all the flavors that I put in it gives it kind of a international Mexican / American take on it, okay? That's why it's called international. So you're going to add all that in, okay? Give it a good stir to incorporate all the seasonings. Doesn't that look divine, you guys? Yes, that looks so good. What do you think, sis? You think it looks good?
That looks good.
It looks delicious. Okay, now over here, we have some banana peppers that I pickled and made myself. These are made out of the Anaheim chilies. I will make another video to show you how to make these. Seasonings and all. Dump your whole thing right in the pot roast. Okay? And it's going to get kind of full. Give those a good stir. Okay? Oh, we might have to take some of this juice out for just a moment. What I do is I save my juice that I take out because you will have to add it later on. Okay? Just add it into some water that I have set to the side, some of it.
Or you can save it just in case maybe you're making rice.
Yeah, it does work good in rice. Good idea. Great minds think alike, don't they, sis?
Yep.
That is why she's my baby girl, you guys. She's 18, but I still call her my baby girl. She's got a lot of good ideas. All right, so set that to the side. Now, you want to hand me the carrots and potatoes over there, sis? All right. I have a bag of baby miniature carrots that I just cut in halves and 5 to 6 whole potatoes cut into 6s. You want to go halfway down, half again, and then slice. Or however you want to do it. So start adding these in slowly. It's going to get really full in here. Okay? Might have to take some of this juice out again. Let's take some more of this juice out. That's why I say save your juice, because it's going to get full and you're going to have to take some more out. Okay? Because once you add in your chili peppers, it gets really full. Excuse me, banana peppers that you've made. Now you can use store-bought if you want, but it's so much better if you can pickle them and make them yourself. Me personally, myself, I like the Anaheim peppers to pickle. Okay, Now, also too, if you run out of room, you can get another pan to the side, okay? And finish your potatoes off that way. And I think I'm going to take some of these out and do that.
Yeah, that way if anybody else, wants more potatoes or anything.
Right, exactly. And I'm going to do the same with the carrots. I'm going to add half of the carrots and then put the other half in a separate pan. You can always add some of that juice that you saved into the pan, okay? So there's about half. You think that looks about half? Mm-hmm. All right, so you want to just give it kind of a rough stir. And there you go. All right, guys, so you want to have your stove on about 3 or medium to low heat. I'm going to put my lid back on like this so it doesn't overflow. And when this is done, we'll get it served up and we will have a taste tester. Okay, guys, so we are back. Stew is done. Does that not look yummy? Get a good view of that, sister. That is what it looks like. Now, I did get some extra juice and stuff going on here too because it's going to go right over it. Today we have my son and his girlfriend Megan and Austin here. They're going to be the taste testers today. So let's start with you, Megan. Here is your fork. And we're going to start with this. And you take your tongs because the meat is real shredded. Sorry about the hacking he's got going on there, guys. Okay. We have yours. Take your fork out. All right. Get him some potatoes going on, you guys. Now, I'm going to come over here. Well, I'll take some of this juice, and then I'll take some of the juice over there. This juice, make sure you get plenty of this juice because it is divine. Do you hear that bubbling going on? Nice and bubbly. Okay. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to pull this to the front and give them some of this juice. This juice, I put a little beef bouillon in it, you guys, just to flavor it up. Give them some of these carrots in here. You can make it as juicy or as thick as you want it. Sorry about the hiccups in the background. That's my son-in-law. All right, you guys, here you go. Get a good bite for the camera. It's hot. Be careful. If you think it's good, I want a oh so yummy. It's very, very hot. Now, while they're taste testing, don't forget I have a Facebook and an Instagram called Country Views. Be sure to like and subscribe as well on YouTube and go to my pages and like as well. Comment below as well. Once again, if there's anything you'd like to see me cook, just comment below on any of those sites and let me know what you'd like to see. What do you think, guys?
That's good.
Can I get a oh so yummy?
Oh, so yummy.
All right, guys. Thank you for visiting Country Views, and I will see you another time with another great recipe. Bye.